Public schools across the state could be losing millions of dollars in funding after more than 54,000 new opportunity scholarships were awarded yesterday. That would more than double the number of students getting taxpayer funding to attend private schools. Public schools lose funding when a student uses a voucher to attend a private school. This year is a record expansion of the Opportunity Scholarship Program under new eligibility rules that allow any family to apply for a voucher. Now to the landmark Supreme Court case that could affect families with transgender children all across the country.
Today, oral arguments are being heard on whether a Tennessee ban on medical treatments for transgender children violates the Constitution.
ABC's Perry Russell is at the Supreme Court.
Today, oral arguments at the Supreme Court that could define gender-affirming care for transgender children across the country.
This case is about access to medications that have been safely prescribed for decades to treat many conditions, including gender dysphoria.
The case was brought by a family in Nashville, Tennessee, whose 16-year-old daughter came out as transgender when she was in the 7th grade. She goes by LW and asked us not to show her face.
It's not very comfortable being trapped in, because it just doesn't feel like you.
After months of doctor's visits and therapy sessions, LW and her parents decided to start using medication to delay puberty and later hormone therapy to combat gender dysphoria.
Without objection, the motion to reconsider goes to table.
Last year, lawmakers in Tennessee banned the treatments LW was receiving, in part citing uncertain long-term harm.
In Tennessee, we think this is a risky procedure.
26 states now ban gender-affirming treatments for children, even as major American medical associations have endorsed the treatments for more than a decade. Critics of the ban say they discriminate, as the same drugs are legal for kids who are not trans. LW's family argues Tennessee's ban violates the Constitution.
I want to listen to the doctors, and I want to listen to my kid, and I want to take care of him.
Chief Justice John Roberts questioned whether the High Court was best situated to address an evolving medical issue or if it's better to be handled by the states. A ruling could come in the next few months. Perry Russell, ABC News, the Supreme Court.